Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk again about Nano Dimensions Limited, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name NNDM. Well, Nano Dimension is growing stably and following actually analysis, also previous videos, so it's nice to analyze it again and to see what we can do in this current wave up. And that started actually to form from the middle of December. Now we see after having a nice move up and slightly touching overbought area RSI wise, we are having now red candle with also big upward shadow, which overall is a bullish momentum, also giving the fact that holidays are coming and short day trading and Christmas is there. So we might see some more correction, actually not really a correction, but the finishing of the wave. To reach the trend line and then restart again. To understand how to play here, let's do a quick analysis. So first of all, for NNDM, we see that already from mid of October, this stock is so-called 2050-200, meaning that until moving averages are aligned like this, it's mid and long term, very profitable stock, steady growing, so it doesn't matter how you enter. But if you're a short-term player, you just need to wait for appropriate wave. And until this pattern is there, 2050 to 100, the stock is going to go further and make a profit for you. And as always, at our daily charts, we have our free moving averages depicted here. These are moving average 20, 50, and 200, being green, blue, and red lines correspondingly. Here on the left, you see their depictions. So what we see first of all, RSI-wise. Well, RSI is growing, it's nice. It restarted from the mid area, which is very good, meaning that there is still power and steam to grow further. And now it's trying to, after touching overbought area, it will most probably again return to the area of 50s to restart. And if you look at moving averages here, moving average 20, 50, and 200, all three lines are going upwards with acceleration. So they are not just pointing up, but also their second derivatives are higher than zero. So it's very nice growth in general. But we might see a slight deceleration here, slight waving kind of effect, not really much bending. So it should be overall similar to the effect, the move of moving averages 20 and 50 that we saw in the first half of December, and then we will go for second wave. So actually just should repeat the pattern, nothing speaks of otherwise. So it's a classical trade of technical and by technical estimators, so classical technical trade for Nano Dimension. And with this having said, we just need to also see that from MACD wise, it's also clear that we are now forming after nice negative wave, we're on the positive wave, so most probably we'll be topping a little bit and then need to go a little bit down to either start a secondary upwards wave or to go a little bit lower. So if we will start secondary upwards wave, we will restart immediately from after touching moving average 20, as we saw it previously as well in the middle of December. If we will go MACD wise to lower wave and then going up, then it would mean we will go a little bit deeper correction, but we'll discuss it as well now to be prepared. Another parameter, speaking of that the correction is in behind the corner, or actually finishing the wave is behind the corner, is also the fact that the volume was slightly increasing, well, significantly actually increasing, and then it's also kind of topping, so most probably will start to decrease. Similarly, we saw previous waves. So everything goes steady grow classically, and we just need to wait for appropriate points to enter. And those would be then, if we will just look quickly here, it will start first from the level of a little bit higher than 750, and then anything below between 650, 750. These two lines, let's call them S1, S2, would be immediate buy here. Also, it will be the moment when moving average 20 will be almost on the top of S1 level, so it will be very nice immediate buy. And then just waiting for another wave. Should we experience further correction, a little bit deeper one, also possible, although not that expected, but still, we need then to wait for a stronger, let's say, correction levels, and these would be between 450 and actually about 515. So it will be just also trapping moving average 50 here, just a little bit higher than it. And this would be the second average down area, which will be also very strong. And again, as always, we do not expect it at all, but if negative catalyst kicks in or anything bad, then we need to be prepared for a strong average down action here. And then it will be just in this line. Let's draw those, actually this level and then it will be the final average down here. That time it will be again double support, not only the channel, let's call these S3, S4, S5 and 6. So it will be not only the channel S5 and 6, S6 as a support levels, but also moving average 200 here. This line will be coming to this area. It will be again double support. So what is nice in this average down approach is that every average down is a double support area. So it's very strong in that sense. And therefore it is advised to average down with the strategy 1, 2, 2, meaning that you need to split funds you would like to play here in 5, and then you can buy with 1 portion, then average down first time with 2 portions, and again average down with 2 portions according to the entry positions described here with dark circles. This way it will be best optimization of profit versus loss, and actually this stock is very safe technically. It's being traded technically already several months, and if no negative catalyst comes, it will be okay. Even if it comes, the last final average down, last support will play it out very well and will negate it immediately. So very nice stock in that sense. And as you can see, the advice here is given some upfront. So from 1 week to 5, it means that the same is true for other videos at our channel. So if you like this analysis, also please check other videos, even up to 5 weeks ago posted. Maybe the situation discussed there is just about to happen, and you can just be in time to place your price alerts and make the play, make the profit. Also, one of the important things for NNDM to note, it's not only that the moving average 20 is here working as a, let's say, trend line, but there is another linear trend line which kind of following moving average 20, and this is line, let's call it T1. It's still not broken at all, so overall it's even triple area of support in the S1, S2 level, so should be very nice. And until we break T1 line, in general, we can speak of steady growth. Once we will see nodes of this line to be breaking and forming something like this, so where this is T1 and these are some new lines, we will come back to this stock to discuss. Until that, it's growing very well linearly and with nice classical waves, so quite safe, purely technical trade here to do. So with this having said, that's all for NNDM. And by the way, if you want to be up to date at each time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell button. Otherwise, to be always up to date to videos uploaded to our channel, is check our free mobile application. You will see in the description to this video the link to it for Android devices. In this application, you will always have access to latest 14 videos at the channel, so you don't need to manually return to the channel itself and YouTube. You can just directly see it from there. And once you see the stock of your interest, you can press the appropriate button and you will be directed to the video analysis similar to this one we just did for Nano Dimensions. As well as if you don't find video of your interest, you can always find opportunity. There is an opportunity to let's say request a video of your interest. You will also see the link in the description to this video how to do it. So if you like your own stock to be analyzed and placed as video similar to this one, please check it, do it, use this opportunity. We'll be happy to help you in your interest in some other stocks. So on that being said, good luck with NNDM and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.